Speaker of Parliament, Honourable Prime Minister, Honourable Deputy Prime Ministers, the Honourable Leader of Opposition, Honourable Cabinet Ministers, Members of Parliament, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise before this august House to commend His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Fiji, for his powerful opening address to this Parliament. His Excellency's vision is clear. We must be bold in action, unified in purpose, and unwavering in our commitment to building a prosperous Fiji. The President reminded us that true leadership demands foresight, resilience, and service to the people. The Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways takes that charge seriously. We will act decisively to strengthen food security, empower farmers, and drive economic transformation. The Ministry will not stand on the sidelines and settle for mediocrity. Building a stronger agriculture sector. Mr. Speaker, sir, His Excellency reminded us that a strong economy must be built on a strong foundation. That foundation includes 1, diversifying the economy, expanding agriculture, tourism, and digital innovation. 2, modernizing infrastructure, upgrading roads, ports, and power systems to boost productivity. And 3, reforming laws, ensuring policies match the evolving aspirations of our people. These are not just aspirations, Mr. Speaker. They are commitments. The results speak for themselves. Over the past 2 years, Fiji's agricultural exports have surged from 15.8% growth in 2021-2022 to 20.1% in 2023-2024. Turmeric exports alone are projected to reach 27.3 million this year, up from 24.6 million. So is cover exports on the increase as we speak to over $20 million. Mr. Speaker, as we speak, a company called Island Magic that specializes in turmeric production and processing is actively pursuing development of 100 acres of turmeric planting with plans to plant another 300 acres up in the Nubu Hills in Nanronga. Mr. Speaker, sir, farmers are producing, they are selling, they are earning, and this government is standing behind them every step of the way. Let me say this, Mr. Speaker, sir, that financial liberation for Fiji is in agriculture. It is a tangible goal that is strategically and revolutionarily achievable. Mr. Speaker, sir, His Excellency challenged us to be proactive. The Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways accepts that challenge. We are investing in our farmers, we are protecting our land, and we are securing our future. We are reviving traditional crops. Cocoa and coffee production is back. In places like Nassau, Toka, and Wainimbuka, we are building better nurseries, farm roads, and developing over 300 acres of land to plant thousands of new cocoa seedlings. We are also strengthening the beef sector. In the Nandi and Rosa Highlands, and in Saivo and in Tailevu, we are improving pastures, controlling diseases, and using advanced breeding technology to develop the beef sector. Mr. Speaker, sir, please allow me to speak in the vernacular to address our beef farmers. Mutu dolvina na ndau susu manu susumbul makau mai na dolo na ya take na osa. Kamuto mai wunamoli mai uto mai no ngandamu na tiki no rukuruku e sanomba pa kemuto mai wangandra na sokotawa na rewa tiki no waidamba e sana nanronga na osa. Dolvina muninga kemuto mai na osa iata na tiki no na mataku o na sikawa ganyo no ikoro. Dolvina masta penyo na masirawa. Na wale wunjina na ngumatua tekini akoto na susu bulmakau. Mekana ke obisi. Na wale. Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways is also boosting dairy production. We are upgrading farm infrastructure and ensuring better returns for our farmers. We are also expanding pork production, Mr. Speaker. Recently, I opened the Waimbongi Piggery in Singatoka, which is a 300-sow unit that will add 170 tons of pork annually to Fiji's food supply. Mr. Speaker, I wish to acknowledge the two brothers, Ronald and Ritesh Sharma, and their family in Nyandur Singatoka for their commitment to reinvest back into their country of birth, in this case, investing in the 300-sow unit piggery, making use of the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways Equity Grant Assistance. Mr. Speaker, His Excellency made it clear that Fiji must be resilient in the face of climate change. And the ministry takes that responsibility seriously. In terms of waterways and flood control, the ministry is investing in the repairing of the existing waterways infrastructure, which includes the repairing of weirs, and also the procuring of dredges and excavators to help in the mitigation to the point of prevention of flooding in most of our flood-prone areas. Mr. Speaker, let me talk about expanding rice production also. With rising global rice prices, Fiji must produce more of its own rice. And the Ministry of Agriculture through government is investing in irrigation, farm roads and land clearing to make this happen. Fiji Rice expects a bumper crop of more than 2,000 tons this season. The largest that we've gone is 1,685 tons in 2021. With the $1,000 a ton price of paddy being the highest ever, and I have been told by the Chairman Fiji Rice that this is expected to be revised upwards. Climate change is not waiting, neither will we. We will redesign our floodgates, we will replace the infrastructure holding them together, and we will invest in seawalls. Mr. Speaker, His Excellency reminded us that true progress is built on knowledge. That is why we are institutionalizing agriculture research to ensure it remains innovative, efficient, and relevant. Additionally, over the next 5 years, we will review 26 key agricultural laws in partnership with UNFAO and the Fiji Law Reform Commission to modernize our legal framework. We are also reviewing 6 agricultural public enterprises to increase efficiency, reduce reliance on government support, and improve service delivery. Progress is not accidental, it is intentional. Mr. Speaker, sir, our farmers are producing more than ever. But production alone is not enough. We must connect them to markets. The Agricultural Marketing Authority, AMA, has doubled its purchases from farmers, from $200,000 worth of purchase to $400,000 worth of purchase per month. The Biosecurity Authority of Fiji has been tasked to open new trade pathways, allowing more Fijian produce to reach international markets. This is just the beginning. More investment in market access, transport, and collection centers is coming. Mr. Speaker, sir, His Excellency emphasized the need for inclusivity, and agriculture must work for everyone. We are helping small-scale farmers move to semi-commercial production. We are empowering women and youth through dedicated programs. We are strengthening home gardening, community food security, and launching farm-to-school initiatives. This week, we are hosting the National Women in Agriculture Symposium, a platform to recognize and support the women transforming our agricultural sector. At the same time, we are investing in value-adding and agribusiness models, ensuring farmers earn not just from raw produce, but from finished products. Mr. Speaker, sir, His Excellency reminded us that agriculture is not just about food. It is about survival, it is about security, it is about sovereignty. We must build a Fiji that can feed itself, export to the world, and stand strong against any challenge. This ministry under my leadership will be bold, decisive, and relentless in its pursuit of this goal. I thank His Excellency for his vision. I thank my dedicated team for their hard work, and I look forward to a productive parliamentary session ahead. Congratulations, farmers. You have done well for Fiji. You have made sure that there is always food available for every one of us. Mr. Speaker, sir, with this, I support the motion before the House.